rebuild lives.
Well, today marks a somber anniversary. It is 1 year since 13-year-old Neziah Harris disappeared after getting off her school bus in Detroit. And 1 year to the day of that disappearance, her accused killer could find out if he'll stand trial in her death. Jarvis Butts is charged with murder and sexually assaulting the missing teen. Prosecutors have been laying out their evidence in court to prove they have enough to take this case to trial. 7 News Detroit reporter Ryan Marshall joins us live from 36th District Court, where one final witness will continue on the stand this morning. And Ryan, this has been an emotional 3 days of testimony, and we know that this hearing could wrap up as early as today.
Yeah, very emotional, up and down like a roller coaster. Good morning to you. Good morning, everybody out there. We've heard from 24 different people that have testified in this case. We've heard from family members. We've heard from subject matter experts. We've heard from local law enforcement. But we may be hearing from the courts soon about whether or not they are going to take this case to a full trial. Wednesday was day 3 of testimony in the Jarvis Butts preliminary hearing regarding the disappearance of 13-year-old teen Neziah Harris. Much of yesterday's testimony involved law enforcement officials and various experts. That included Wayne County's interim deputy chief medical examiner, Omar Reyes. He says he reviewed Neziah Harris's medical records.
Did you see anything in there that would have caused Neziah to die naturally?
No.
However, when the defense cross-examined him,
is it your job to declare somebody as deceased? Typically?
Typically, I am the pronouncing doctor when we respond to a death on a scene.
Okay, so if you were to go and view something yourself,
Yes.
And have personal knowledge of the circumstances surrounding the incident?
Correct.
Detroit Police Sergeant Shannon Jones also testified. She explained that when she inherited the case, there were immediate red flags.
Number one, she's never been missing before. There's been no updates on any of her social media, which is very uncommon for a young child or a juvenile. They're addicted to those. There had been a last known contact that she had possibly met somebody, is what we were informed, that there was a text message.
Jones also discussed items found during the River Rouge area search, like the shoe, later determined to be a match to those belonging to Harris. The sergeant says investigators executed at least 20 search warrants, including electronic devices belonging to Butts. They testified that they discovered questionable Google searches from December 2023, a month before Harris disappeared. The searches surround the belief that Butts wanted to find ways to conceal getting Neziah pregnant.
What's visited, it's Drink Me and Abort Your Baby, the herbal abortion tea by Maya. And the site visited is plannedparenthood.org/learn/abortion/the abortion pill.
Whew. Back here live now at the 36th District Court, and undoubtedly family and loved ones are having a hard time listening to that testimony inside the courtroom. We'll find out if the courts do take this to a full trial. If they do, the family is going to have to hear a lot more tough testimony in order to get justice for Neziah. We're here live just outside of the 36th District Court in downtown Detroit. I'm Ryan Marshall for 7 News Detroit.